Hey guys, long time no see. I'm back. Thanks for hanging out and standing by while I took my little break. There was a combination of factors that went into it. If you weren't following on Instagram or Twitter or on the YouTube community page, I'll give you a quick, brief rundown. First of all, I got a huge freelance contract that I really wanted to pursue, and having that on top of YouTube was just too much for me to handle, and I ended up basically reaching a breaking point. I had a major burnout and I just had to stop because I just had to step away from art and just take some time away and then also give myself time to work on the freelance project. Second is, I'll put a picture right here. I cracked my tablet screen. It sucked. It really did. I had to send it in for repairs, which took probably close to about a month to get the tablet repaired. And so I couldn't really keep recording art. I had a temporary setup so I could at least work on freelance, but there was no way for me to really hook it up to my computer until recently when I finally was able to buy all these cords and do all this stuff. But it basically just became easier for me to just step away and not try to record any videos on another tablet. Because this is my main setup. Like when I have my big tablet, it works, and that's just how I do it, you know? My Mobile Studio Pro works perfectly fine, but it is not good for recording. So this is what I use for recording. And then the other major thing that's coming up that I really wanted to take time to set up for is Extra Life. So this video is mostly to announce what's happening for Extra Life. So I will be participating this year in Extra Life and doing a stream for 24 hours. So if you guys would like to come hang out over on my Twitch, I'll put a link right here. I am going to be streaming for 24 hours. I'm going to be drawing a bunch of different monsters, which you guys can contribute ideas to, and you can donate towards the creation of these monsters. And then I'll be also streaming some games with some friends. So if you guys want to come over, have a great time, and just watch me suffer for not getting any sleep for 24 hours, just come hang out. We're also going to be doing a lot of giveaways. There's going to be some art up for grabs, including some creature compendiums and a bunch of other cool stuff that I'm going to be donating. So I'd love to see you guys there. One of the main things that I'm going to be offering for Extra Life is basically a Extra Life exclusive monster pack. So I have gone ahead and made 5 original creatures for this monster pack. It's going to be $50. 100% of the proceeds is going to Extra Life to help the sick kids. And you get 5 original creatures with full D&D lore and stats, and they're going to be Extra Life exclusive. I will not make them available in my creature compendium. They will not be available on Patreon. They are only available through the Extra Life pack. To give you a little bit of a tease, it's going to be called New Life for Extra Life. All of them have a very specific theme in mind. I will be revealing them during the stream as well after we hit a certain dollar milestone. So if you want to see those, make sure to stop by this weekend as well. If you would like more details on my schedule, what I'm going to be doing for Extra Life, the link is down in the description below. And I am streaming with a group of my friends on the Every Bit Gamer page. They're all amazing friends of mine. We're all going to be having such a good time playing games and doing random stuff as we raise money for the kids. So I'd really appreciate any support you guys could offer, whether that's just coming, watching us, supporting us that way, or just donating a couple bucks if you can. Also, for those of you who listen to the Roaring D20s podcast, which is the Dungeons & Dragons podcast I do with my friends, we are also offering some incentives to go along with that. Myself, Virakti, or Chris, who also plays Marcus Wayland, Jesse, who plays Bartholomew Sinclair, and Scott, who is our wonderful DM. All of us have a $150 tier that you can purchase to play a one-off with the cast of the Roaring D20s podcast. It will all be recorded as well, so if you ever want to go back and listen to your unique, fun podcast with us, you will have a copy for yourself after we do our one-off with you. And that's just a quick peek at some of the fun incentives that are coming up here for Extra Life, but I would really appreciate it if you guys would stop by, even if it was just to hang out, chat with some of the members of the Every Bit Gamer crew, and just help us raise money for sick kids. If you can't donate any money, totally get it, but just having you there, interacting with us, having fun with us while we're having games, and watching me draw some silly monsters, all of that would be super fun to have you there for. So anyway, that's my quick announcement for today. I can't wait to see you guys this weekend. If you can make it, it's going to be November 21st, starting at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, all the way through November 22nd, ending at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. But that's it for this announcement. I will see you guys on Friday for a new video. I'm finally back to uploading again. I'm going to finish off OC-tober, and then we're going to go right back into 100 Dragons Challenge, the Monster Mashes, everything I was doing. We're going to just go back into that again. It's just it took a little while for me to get back into it. So thanks again for your patience, guys. And I will see you guys on Friday and hopefully this weekend. Bye, everybody.